In this video, I will show you how to reduce the video file size without losing the quality of your video in your Windows PC using a free software to do that. Let me show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and bring out the software and I'll show you on how you can download the software. So this is the software right here I'm going to use. And then all you have to do is to drag and drop your video file into this canvas right here. You can compress as many as possible, large number of different number of video file at a go. So I'm going to go ahead and bring out my video file right here. So take a look at this particular video file right here. This video file is 1.47 gig right here. Just go ahead and drag and drop your video file. Once you drag and drop your video file, the next thing you want to do is to do the proper format and layout. So this video is for YouTube video. I will simply scroll down right here. I will choose YouTube, and then the format, I will make it to be MP4. Then I'll hit on OK, just like so. And the next thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here and simply click on run, and then you wait until the compression done finish. You can see it started to generate to compress the video file. After you're compressing successful and you are done, you are not going to lose any quality of your video, and the compressing is fast as the case it is. Now, how can you get this particular software for video reduction or different kind of video formats you want to convert your video file to? All you have to do is to go ahead and head over to your browser. So I'm going to bring out my Chrome browser right here. Then go ahead and type in Win. And let's check on the spell. Win HD Video Converter. HD Video Converter Deluxe. Download. Just like so. Then go ahead and hit enter. Then you have it right here. So all you have to do is you see this first one right here. This is the official website of the app. Go ahead and right click on open to the new tab, and it's going to take you to where you can easily download the software. So this is the official web page of the application. Close this tab right here. Then you have video converter, compress videos file size, image, and etc. These are the stuff you can do with this particular software. You can as well extract video URL as the case may be. So if you are using Windows PC, all you have to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on download free trial right here. This is for Windows, and the Mac version is at the bottom right here. So once you click on download, you can see the application right here. Just go ahead and hit on save, and the application will download. After a successful download, run the setup and launch the app. Then from there, you start compressing your video file. So if you are using Mac, just come down below right here. Go ahead and click on Mac right here. Mac version. So just like so, then you have your free trial for Mac right here. Go ahead and click on free trial for Mac. The important notice for Unit Converter for Mac user, just want to make sure you read this particular note right here. Then come down below right here and click on download Win HD Converter for Mac. Click on that, and then your application setup is here. All you have to do is to click on save, and then after a successful download, run the setup on your Mac. Then after that, you start using your Windows Win HD Video Converter. So let's go ahead and check. So far, this is where it is right now, and it's going to continue from here. After successfully compressed, I assure you that the quality is going to remain the same without any stress, and the file size is going to be drastically reduced. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to convert or compress or do different kind of thing with your video file, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.